there. Some of you are having trouble logging into BrainPop and figuring out what to do there. So I created a quick video. I'm just in Google Classroom. I'm going to go to this where it tells me the BrainPop code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to brainpop.com. I'm going to click on enter code. I'm going to enter the code. It was tractor something. Tractor 6238. I'm going to hit submit. Now, this is the part where a lot of you are having trouble. I already have an account. That's why this is popping up. If you have an account, something might pop up for you. If you have not created an account, you have to go to sign up now. So you click on sign up now because you're new to BrainPop. And you're going to fill out this info. You're going to fill out your first name, your last name, your username. Whenever I have students who are already in, and when I looked, it says, it shows me your name. So as long as you put your name here, it's okay. You can make your username and password whatever you want. You're going to want to make it something that you're not going to forget though. So I recommend maybe using your IXL info. Okay, so you're going to do all of this. Then you hit create your account. And then once your account's created, you're going to be able to link to other classrooms, to Mrs. Jose and Mrs. Tilhoff's classroom as well, just so you know. Okay, so that's how you do it. You click create account, and then it will, after all that info is filled in, and you should have a BrainPop account, and it will take you into the account. You don't need to do anything today. It was just get signed into my class. That was it.